Hi, how are you? In this video, we will going to exploring how to install the TensorFlow
Oh my god! Wow!
with the Python platform, and it's very easy. You can see the no model install in TensorFlow. So, welcome to the Pyresearch and subscribe our channel. So, going to the our main topic is the today TensorFlow installation. First of all, you can see the no model will be installed, and I am going to step by step. You can install easily TensorFlow and build application with the AI base. So it's easy. You can see start building with the TensorFlow. First of all, you can open your PyCharm. I am open it here. PyCharm ideally. Then if you not install the Python version and you can create have any problem Python. So download the Python version. You can see the latest version will be download Python 3.12.0. You download it if you make user window user and the Linux Mint user going same steps, not going to anywhere. Just follow the video and here the same steps. Download from here. Okay. After downloading, you can. I'm already download. So I'm close previous my project. Okay. So do not worry. I'm going to step by step and it's very easy to install the TensorFlow version. If you want to use any type of version, just like you want to buy a TensorFlow version 1.0 and latest version will be installed, you uninstall it and easily to install previous version. So uh, taking time closing. Okay, after you can see the download the Python and install the Python and yeah, here the new project, uh, create the new project. Okay, and the Python you can see name is TensorFlow and choose your Python version. Uh, it's okay. We will going to the next version. So you create it. You can see the import TensorFlow. Yes, here. Here you can see the underscore line means cannot install our no module install. Okay. If you want to use open the terminal, so it's okay. Otherwise, you can do it. First of all, you can check it out your Python version 3.9. Okay, so if install TensorFlow, this is the first step. If you want to initialize your TensorFlow with PyCharm portal, you can go to the PyCharm. Click here the PyCharm. Here, here you can see the settings and go to the project. Okay, project TensorFlow and the Python interpreter, and you can see the plus sign, and so you can easy to search out the TensorFlow and get the specification working. And it's internet problem, so it's loading. Okay, so once it's loaded, and you can see the all the specification versions will be shown in front of you. So we are trying to again it. Uh, it's not very. We are already waiting for the installation part. It install TensorFlow. So once it's done, and you get the result, and also you can see the Python interpreter and the plus sign and showing the installation packet and the flow. You can see the down when you install it, the install packet. It's easy methods and press the OK button, and we are waiting for the transaction installation part. So waiting for the it. So I'm trying to again showing you, sorry, TensorFlow. Now TensorFlow, click the TensorFlow version, and here the, yeah, specification version is the TensorFlow. Okay, so now you can see the specification versions and the last version also showing. Scroll down and showing you the last version. Okay, so I think it's 1.1 version. Let me check. It's last version 0. Okay, so you can see the last version. Also install the last version also easily. So the major part in this video, we will install the installation part in TensorFlow, and helpful for the my audience installation part. Okay, it's not complicated. Just with one command, pip install TensorFlow, you install that, and easy to end-to-end machine learning platform will be in your laptop. So start building with the TensorFlow. Okay, so we are waiting for the once done, and we get the result of the TensorFlow. So I'm also hopeful. Support our channel for more getting information updates, and a lot of people watch our videos but cannot subscribe. Subscribe us and get latest updates from our channel. Okay, so we are going to exploring day by day new videos, and also getting more accurate result, and with machine learning, deep learning libraries, and also computer vision OpenCV library. Okay, so my internet speed is not good, and I'm trying to resolve it as soon as possible. Once will be done, and we get the result. So you can see the installation part is going to will be done at all installation libraries will be done, and TensorFlow is the main important library to install, and you can easily use to this. So almost is part done, and after done you can easily run to your code with Python with CMD. You just press the Python part, and you can also going to from the installation part is after done. So guys, after installation part will be done, we go to running part. You can see the not here the any error, and I'm also running the from the PyCharm platform. Okay, just you can see the icon, and I'm running it, and it's taking time. First time it's taking time. Do not worry. First time is window user and Linux Mint user, and it's taking time. Okay, so I'm typing the tf dot underscore underscore version underscore underscore. So we are getting to version of the TensorFlow after installation part. Okay, I'm trying to open the my terminal, PyCharm terminal. Okay, so it's easy for us, all of us. Uh, Let me show you the, yeah. It's the first time it's taking much time. After once done, and we cannot get any more time. Okay, so you can see the successfully running import the library with Python platform. Okay, now I am open the terminal, and you see the, just press the enter, and Python, type the Python and import the library name is TensorFlow as TF. Okay, so after uh, this part, okay, I'm spelling mistake and TensorFlow FLOW. Okay, So after it's done, you can see the first time is taking time. Okay, 1 2 3 seconds. uh, it's done. Now we get the version of that TensorFlow. So you can see. Hope you like it. Kindly support our channel for more getting info. So support us for more getting information updates. Any type of confusion you get, any type of error, you comment down it, and also you can see we are creating a lot of